Okay, so kids, let's discuss the homework doubts which I had given to you all. The question is, ये आपका शायद पहला question मैंने आप जो homework दिया था. For what value of a, the equation that is a square minus a minus 2 into x square plus a square minus 4 into x plus a square minus 3a plus 2 equal to 0 will have more than two solution. When will have more than two solution?
When it is equal to 0. A square minus.
When will it have more solution? When will it have two more than two solution? कब होगा उसके पास?
Each coefficient is equal to 0.
When it becomes an identity है ना? है ना? अरे हाँ के नहीं?
Hence,
तो उसका जो x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट, x का कोएफिशिएंट और कांस्टेंट टर्म क्या होना चाहिए? क्या होना चाहिए?
equal to 0.
आपका जो कोएफिशिएंट सब 0 होना चाहिए, तभी जाके वो आइडेंटिटी बनेगा, तभी जाके तो मोर देन टू वैल्यूज होगा. और सॉल्व करने के बाद आपको जो कॉमन वैल्यू मिलेगा, यहाँ से दो वैल्यू मिलता है, -2 एंड +1. यहाँ से मिलेगा -2 +2 और यहाँ से आपको मिलेगा -2 एंड -1. तो यहाँ से कॉमन वैल्यू क्या मिल रहा है आपको?
-2.
तो आपको मिलेगा a -2 = 0. तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका a का वैल्यू क्या हो गया किड्स? 2. इज इट क्लियर फॉर ऑल? अरे इज इट क्लियर?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
look at the second part and you all will tell me how to do the second part. Somebody tell me. Does there exist a real value of x for which the above equation will be an identity in A? This was identity in x. You want identity in A. तो क्या करना चाहिए? Tell me, क्या करना चाहिए? Tell me, क्या करना चाहिए?
8 b square minus 4ac.
नहीं बाबा.
Convert it into a quadratic of A.
हाँ, this was quadratic in x, na? Do you see this? Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To make what? What we should do? Make what? अरे what?
Quadratic of A.
Quadratic in A बनाओ. And again do the same thing. इस बार क्या होगा जब quadratic in A बनाओगे, है ना? See, जब आप quadratic of A बनाओगे तो क्या देखो, पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेता हूँ. A square into x square minus ax square minus 2x square. फिर x को अंदर लेके जाओ. A square into x minus 4x plus यहाँ पर आ गया a square minus 3a plus 2. So can we make A? Can we make ना A का quadratic? Can we do it? Okay. Let's make A का quadratic. तो क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पर? X square plus x plus 1 into x square. Then next, let's make A का quadratic. ये आपका A है और ये भी आपका A है. Let's make A का quadratic. Okay. Sorry, A I'll take common. So I get here now x square plus 3 into A. Okay, this is A square. Huh? Sorry, this is A square. A का quadratic A. And बचा खुचा constant term हो जाएगा. So who will be constant here? This will be minus 2x square minus 4x and plus 2. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now equal to 0, यहाँ से कोई भी x का वैल्यू नहीं आएगा, यहाँ से भी कोई x का वैल्यू नहीं आएगा और यहाँ से भी x का वैल्यू नहीं आएगा. तो एक्चुअली क्या, क्योंकि उसको फैक्टराइज ही नहीं कर पाओगे आप, तो क्योंकि रूट्स आने वाले नहीं है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या पूछा है? डज देयर एग्जिस्ट अ रियल वैल्यू ऑफ x फॉर विच अबव इक्वेशन विल बी एन आइडेंटिटी इन A? व्हाट इज द आंसर?
No.
No. There is no value of real value of x which will make this as an identity. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो आप इसको 0 करोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा वैल्यू नहीं आने वाला. तो नो इज आंसर. नो इज आंसर. तो बस ये तो आइडेंटिटी वाला प्रॉब्लम था, लेकिन कुछ बच्चों को डाउट आ गया. अगेन हमें थोड़ा सोचना है, समझना है. देखो कुछ बच्चों को वो फ्रेमिंग ऑफ द वर्ड समझ नहीं पड़ता है, लेकिन वही तो बता, तो आप एक बार ट्राई करोगे तो और एक बार ट्राई करो, क्या पता शायद आ जाए, है ना? वी शुड ट्राई. Okay, now they are saying alpha beta are the roots of this equation. Now if alpha beta is the root of the equation, so everybody knows that some of the roots will be given as minus b by a and the product will be given as c by a. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
एंड एक काम करते हैं, हम डिफरेंस भी फाइंड कर लेते हैं. ओके, लेट्स फाइंड द डिफरेंस आल्सो एंड देन वील टॉक अबाउट द क्वेश्चन. कंसीडर डिफरेंस की जरूरत पड़ेगी क्या? एक मिनट, अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब, हाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी, डिफरेंस की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. रुको, डिफरेंस देख लेते. ओके, आपको प्रूव करना है कैसा, तो मैं एलएचएस ले लेता हूँ. ओके, खाली प्रूव करना आपको. तो ए इंटू आपको मिलेगा अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब अपॉन अल्फा बीटा. अल्फा बीटा का वैल्यू मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है. बी टाइम्स यहाँ पर आएगा अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर अपॉन अल्फा बीटा. ओके, अब आप करना कुछ नहीं है, हम लोग ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब कैन बी रिटन एज ए प्लस बी द होल क्यूब माइनस 3ab इंटू ए प्लस बी. डू यू एग्री? अरे डू यू एग्री?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta the whole square minus twice alpha beta. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
बस अब मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला, आगे का काम आपको करना है. क्या करने का आगे? अभी
Substitute.
substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, automatically you get the answer is B only. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, खुद ट्राई करने का. चलो, good. Okay. Now see, this was an easy problem. I don't know why people ask me this doubt. 2 plus root 3i is the root of this equation. So automatically, what is the other root?
2 minus root 3i.
2 minus root 3i hai na kids? So suppose I call this as alpha and this is beta. So I think sum of the roots will be 4. Do you agree?
Yes.
Add किया तो, और अगर प्रोडक्ट किया तो क्या आएगा? 2 plus root 3i into 2 minus of root 3i. So it is 4 minus 3i square. So answer will be 7. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, but already I know sum of the roots is minus b by a. So it will be minus p by 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And product is c by a. So automatically my p becomes straight away minus 4 from here and my q becomes 7. Is it okay?
Yes,
So the order pair is minus 4 comma 7 is your answer. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब ये वाला प्रॉब्लम यार क्लास में ही सॉल्व किया था अपन ने, मतलब ऐसा सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम आई मीन टू से. व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, प्रूव दैट द रूट्स आर ऑलवेज रियल. रूट्स आर ऑलवेज, द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट क्या होगा? ग्रेटर देन 0 ऑलवेज. हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
And it cannot have roots if a and b and c are same. It cannot have roots if a, b and c are same. That's what they are saying. तो पहले काम कैसा, just cross multiply. What I'll get x minus b into x minus c. X minus b into x minus c plus x minus a into x minus c plus x minus a into x minus a into x minus b. We have done a similar problem of this category wherein x square, you get 3 times of x square, you get 2 times of you get a plus b plus c plus x after solving and then you get here a b b c a c, a b b c a c. है ना? कि ऐसा हम किया ना हम लोग ने kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's a quadratic in x. Now अगर आपको roots पता करना, check the discriminant. तो let me check my discriminant here. This is b square, b का square. And I'm doing fast, हाँ चलेगा ना kids?
Yes, sir.
Because I'm doing fast because I assume that people know these all things. B square minus 4 a c. Exam में फटाफट ही करना पड़ता है. You don't have time. Plus हो जाएगा. Is it okay? Plus okay. रुको. B square minus 4 a c. Plus हो जाएगा. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But wait a minute. I think मैंने कुछ
It's plus A, B, BC and AC.
yeah, it's plus. Yeah, it is plus. This is plus. So when I do this becomes minus sign. ठीक है ना kids?
Yes.
Okay, when you expand this is what you'll get. Okay, now I can take 4 common. So what I get is a square plus b square plus c square minus plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is 3 will remain. So 3ab, 3bc and 3ac. So what I get from is 4 times of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, and minus ab minus bc minus ca. And this is always greater than 0. Did I say this?
Yes, sir.
याद है कि नहीं याद है?
Yes, sir.
So अगर
Yes,
greater
sir.
than 0 है तो of course roots are always real, है ना? अरे हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ना इतना होने के बाद आगे क्या लिखा उन्होंने? It cannot have roots if A and B and C are same. If A, B and C are same, what will happen if A, B and C are same?
become equal to 0.
हाँ, अब देखो लफड़ा हो जाएगा. देखो अगर A, B और C सेम हो जाएगा तो लफड़ा हो जाएगा. देखो क्या लफड़ा है. Let's see what's the problem. Check this out. ये 0 तो हो जाएगा, वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या है. अगर A, B and C become same, if A, B and C become same, so I get 3 times of x minus A equal to 0. Do you agree?
Sir. Yes, sir.
And this is also A and this is also A, है ना kids? X minus A, X minus A, so it will be 3 upon X minus, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this guy cannot be 0. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And also not possible, not possible. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So therefore A cannot be equal, ABC equal नहीं होने वाला, because अगर ABC equal होगा तो roots बनेंगे ही नहीं, cannot have roots. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात है. Okay. Now see, of course, some of you might have found it difficult, but you know what? ये कुछ नहीं है. I think I taught you, how to form a quadratic equation, kids. X square minus
Sum of roots
Sum
of
of-
x plus product of roots.
sum of roots into x plus
Product of A.
of roots equal to 0. Is it clear, kids?
Yes, sir.
तो यहां पर क्या हो रहा है कि यहां पर रूट्स क्या है, यहां पर these are the roots. Understand? तो कुछ करना नहीं है, पहले काम कर लेते हैं. Let's find all the guys. Let's find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Let's find alpha into beta, which is c by a. Let's find something more also. Let's find alpha minus beta also. Alpha minus beta कैसे find करेंगे? We'll start like this. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
ना तो यहाँ से अल्फा प्लस बीटा तो होल स्क्वायर क्या होगा, बी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. माइनस 4, दिस इज सी बाय ए, सो इट इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन ए स्क्वायर. तो ये मेरा अल्फा माइनस बीटा तो होल स्क्वायर हो गया. इज इट ओके किड्स? अरे इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
सिमिलरली आई कैन फाइंड अल्फा प्लस बीटा द होल स्क्वायर आल्सो. ये तो ऑलरेडी पता है, तो छोड़ो ना, क्यों ये फाइंड करना है. और क्या कर सकते हैं? व्हाट एल्स विल बी यूजफुल टू, हाँ अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर फाइंड कर लेते हैं. लेट्स फाइंड अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर का फॉर्म में वैल्यू विल बी व्हाट, अल्फा प्लस बीटा द होल स्क्वायर माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ अल्फा बीटा. अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज व्हाट, माइनस बी बाय ए, तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा बी स्क्वायर बाय ए स्क्वायर एंड ट्वाइस अल्फा बीटा होता है सी बाय ए. So I get b square minus 2ac upon 2ac upon a square. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब आप बोले सर ये सब क्यों फाइंड कर रहे हैं? अरे मेरे भाई, अब देखो पहले वाला क्वेश्चन देखो, ये दोनों रूट है ना, तो अगर ये दोनों रूट है तो पहले वाले के लिए सम क्या होगा, सम होगा अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस this plus this plus this plus this, that is 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square, है ना kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ये
sir.
फाइंड करना अपने को. अब ये क्या फाइंड किया अपन ने? ओके, आई हैव जस्ट फाउंड आउट दिस गाय. ओके, so this is beta square plus alpha square upon alpha beta the whole square. So that's it. Alpha square plus beta square का वैल्यू क्या है? b square minus 2ac upon a square. b square minus 2ac upon a square. Similarly, I can say this is b square minus 2ac upon a square. And alpha beta is c by a, so c square by a square. A square gets cancelled. So you get b square minus 2ac upon a square plus b square minus 2ac upon c square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ये आपका sum of the roots हो गया है ना, and you can just simplify it a bit. What will be the product here? Product will be alpha square plus beta square into 1 upon alpha square 1 upon beta square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can take one by one if you want. Okay, if you want, you can just take them one by one, or you can just put the value straight away. Alpha square plus beta square ka value I already know it. And this is also, I think, is there in front of your eye. So this guy, I think I found out already. So this guy will be b square minus 2ac upon c square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But finally, what is the answer? The sums are big. Answer will be x square minus sum of the roots. Now this is a sum. Sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And you can just simplify, you can just cross multiply, do some cancellation, etc. You can do whatever you want to do. But this is a method. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, so can we try the next sum in a similar manner? This and this.
Yes, sir.
Find sum and product. Find sum and product. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
तो खुद ट्राई करो, ठीक है? बड़े बड़े सम्स है, बट कॉन्सेप्ट क्या? व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम? टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इफ द टू रूट्स आर देयर, quadratic is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's move. Okay, these are all fresh questions which has come in the recent examination. That is, last it has come in the examination. So I'll just do it fatafat. Beautiful problems. क्या लिखा? There's a correction. Sorry, यहाँ there's a correction. क्या correction था? Alpha.
It is equal to 1.
Equal to 1.
हाँ, ये correction है. Sorry, ये correction. It is equal to 1. ये correction है. Okay. Alpha be the root or alpha be the ratio of the roots of the equation in x. मतलब alpha upon beta आपको lambda दिया है. Lambda is a root. Sorry, lambda is a ratio. Sorry. और we have given a quadratic 3m square x square plus m into m minus 4 into x plus 2 equal to 0. तो ये है. Now they are asking then the least value of m. m का least value find करना है. ठीक है, वो कर लेंगे. सबसे पहली बार let's find the sum. Sum is minus b by a. चलेगा kids? Product is c by a. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, of course, I can say from here alpha is lambda times of beta. Okay. So now let me just put this guy here and let me put this guy here. फिर देखते क्या होता है. तो यहाँ पर आ गया lambda beta plus beta. So lambda plus 1 into beta. And this is what I'm getting. यहाँ पर आ गया लैम्बडा बीटा, तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा लैम्बडा बीटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2/3m स्क्वायर. इज इट ओके? इज इट ओके? ओके. अब यहाँ पर दिया है लैम्बडा प्लस 1/लैम्बडा इक्वल 1. ठीक है, वो करते हैं अपन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आई एम गेटिंग बीटा का एक, यहाँ से आई एम गेटिंग बीटा का वैल्यू समथिंग. ठीक है, अपन और एक काम करते, रुको.
So instead of that, we have lambda plus 1/lambda. So that is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha.
Yeah. I'll do that. Now take this data only. इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं तो ये फटाफट हो जाएगा, मगजमारी नहीं रहेगा. आपको दिया है अल्फा स्क्वायर, सॉरी ऑलरेडी, हाँ, या दिस इज गिवन. तो लेट्स यूज इट डायरेक्टली. एक मिनट किस, यहाँ दे हैव गिवन ऑलरेडी. व्हाट दे हैव गिवन, लेट्स यूज इट. इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Lambda plus 1/lambda is 1, and already I know what is lambda. Lambda is alpha by beta, है ना kids?
Yes,
sir. यहाँ के नहीं kids? So I can call lambda. This will be alpha upon beta. This will be 1/alpha. That will be beta upon alpha. Is it okay, kids? Is it okay? तो हमें ना ये सब चीजों की जरूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली है, क्योंकि ये सब एक ही झटके में हम यहीं पर खत्म कर देंगे. रुको, अपन फिर इसको टाइम पास नहीं करेंगे. नो नीड ऑफ दिस थिंग. ओके, नो नीड ऑफ पुटिंग इट. वी विल रादर just use this guys. Okay, chalo. So your lambda is alpha upon beta, and this is beta upon alpha. So I can write this as what? I can write this as alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha beta. Chalega kids?
Yes, sir.
This will be alpha plus beta the whole square minus twice of alpha beta equal to alpha beta. I can switch this guy there. So alpha plus beta the whole square equal to 3 times of alpha beta. Substitute the value. Alpha plus beta is what? ये है, तो square करेंगे, यहाँ पर आएगा m square into m minus 4 the whole square upon 9m raised to 4. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And 2/3m ka square, 3 gets cancelled automatically. Here your m square will also disappear, so I am left with what? M square into m minus 4 the whole square. 9 to the this will be 9 to the 18, so 18 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा m square. Is it okay, kids?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
okay? Of course, I can now cancel this m square, so I'm left with m minus 4, and this will be plus minus what, kids? क्या आ जाएगा? 9, 3,
3 root 2.
3 root 2, yeah, 3 root 2. So I'm getting m ka value is what, kids? 4 plus minus 3 root 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So answer is m is equal to, यहाँ पूछा क्या? Least value पूछा है, least value. तो which one is the least value m का? Tell me. Plus के minus?
minus.
Minus.
Of course, I should take the minus only, na? Smaller value I should take. Now, some people, those who are accustomed to advanced, accustomed to advanced exam, they'll think, "Arey, dono answer." They don't read the statement only properly. Yeah, these are the two answers of M, but they're asking the least value. So answer will be option B. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो. Let's go ahead. This is x square into sine theta minus x into sine theta cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta equal to 0. This is some problems connected to infinite series of chapter known as sequence in series. है ना kids? सबको याद होना चाहिए sequence and series थोड़ा बहुत.
Yes,
Can I do it? चलो पहले काम करते हैं, आप ध्यान से देखना. x square sin theta minus x sin theta cos theta minus x plus cos theta equal to 0. I can take x sin theta common. So what I get here is, what I get inside? X minus cos theta. Minus 1 common, so I get x minus cos theta. So I get here x minus cos theta into x sin theta minus 1. So I think it is pretty clear x is equal to cos theta, or x is equal to 1 upon sin theta, that is cosec theta. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now what they are saying, read the statement. They are saying theta. Your theta is between 0 to 45 degree, है ना kids? अरे हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
And your alpha is less than beta, है ना? हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So now you have to decide who will be alpha and who will be beta. You have to decide. Now your theta is between 0 to 45 degree, yeah? तो 0 to 45 degree, yeah? And 0 to 45 degree में your cos theta का value will be between what to what? 1 by root 2 to 1. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
अरे theta is between 0 to 45 ना kids?
Yes, sir.
चलो मैं ना आपको ग्राफ समझाता हूँ. चलो ग्राफ से समझाता हूँ. अगर आपको ये नहीं समझता तो आप ग्राफ से देखो, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा बड़ा कौन है छोटा कौन है. ग्राफ ही देख लो तो आपको समझ जाएगा बड़ा कौन है छोटा कौन है. सबको साइन का ग्राफ पता है ना? दिस इज कॉस का ग्राफ है ना किड्स?
Yes, sir.
दिस इज कॉस का ग्राफ. दिस साइन का ग्राफ है ना किड्स? हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And your cosec ka graph is something like this. Do you remember? No. हाँ, sine, yeah. So this guy will be here. Okay, तो ये नीचे की तरफ जाएगा, whatever. Okay, so this green is cosec है ना kids?
Yes, sir.
And this white is sine है ना? Sine नहीं, sorry. White is cos. हाँ कि नहीं kids?
Yes, sir.
White is cos, green is cosec. Do you agree? So tell me from 0 to 45 degree who will be greater and who will be smaller? Who is greater, who is smaller?
Cosec is greater.
Of course, cosec is greater. Do you agree? Are, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now see, now if people cannot answer this question, then better you should leave science only then. अरे मेरे भाई, ये है मेरा cos, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट, ये है मेरा sin. और जो कोसेक का ग्राफ होता है वो उल्टा टोपी, साइन के ऊपर टोपी बैठती है. और हमारा फोकस 0 to 45 में ही है, यहीं पर फोकस है हमारा. हमारा फोकस किधर है? Our focus is at 0 to 45 only. Now even a blind person can tell you 0 to 45 में बड़ा कौन छोटा कौन? अब तो बताओ कौन?
Cosec.
Cosec. So can I say cosec will तो alpha now cosec बड़ा है तो बीटा बड़ा है ना kids?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
can I
sir.
say your alpha will be cos theta and your beta will be cosec theta? Do you agree?
Yes. Yes, sir.
See, these are all time you should not spend. You should mentally do it. ये तो मैं आपको करके बता रहा हूँ, लेकिन एग्जाम में फटाफट करना पड़ता है. Now look at this question. I'll solve this. Summation n equal to 0 to infinity a raised to alpha raised to n. Alpha raised to n plus beta raised to n. Now, summation can go inside individually to all the guys. है ना kids?
Yes, sir.
And if you all can recollect, if I plug in 0, it will be 1. Plug in 1, alpha. Plug in 2, alpha square. Alpha, it goes on and on and on infinitely. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you put 0, of course, it will be 1. When you put 1, it will be minus 1 upon beta. When you put 2, plus 1 upon beta square, minus 1 upon beta cube, and this goes on and on and on infinitely. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Does anybody remember GP का sum of infinite series का formula? GP.
A upon 1 minus R.
It is first term upon 1 minus common ratio. हाँ के नहीं? अरे हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So what is the first term here? What is the first term here?
1.
1.
1 minus common ratio. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
First term upon 1 minus of common ratio. What is the common ratio here? Minus 1 upon beta. Good. This is 1 upon 1 minus alpha. This is 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon beta. So I get here 1 upon 1 minus alpha plus beta upon beta plus 1. Haan ke nahi kids?
Yes, sir.
Now alpha is cos theta. So just put the value now. This is 1 upon 1 minus cos theta. And a beta is cosec theta, boss. Cosec theta. Is it okay? Now check your options. Option in terms of sine and cos. So this is okay. So let's convert this in terms of sine. The answer is 1 upon 1 minus cos theta. Let me use a different color. You know, somebody would be wondering, sir, exam में इतने बड़े-बड़े सम आते हैं क्या? हाँ, boss, maths में बड़े-बड़े सम ही आते हैं. 1 upon sine, 1 upon sin. Answer is 1 upon 1 plus sine theta. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So check your answer. 1 upon 1 cos 1 upon, option C is your answer. So you can just check this sum. We factorized it. We got cos and cosec. Since theta is 0 to 45 degree, your cosec will be greater, cos is smaller. So cosec will be beta and cos will be alpha. And then accordingly, infinite series लग जाता है. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ, मैथ्स का जब एग्जाम होता है ना, maths is the lengthiest of all remaining two. First of all. Second thing, that's why you should try getting some extra time from chemistry. Chemistry on an average, every kid is, most of the people are able to solve in 45 minutes. You should try taking some time from chemistry and give it to mathematics. Because in exactly 1 hour, you will never be able to complete the paper. You will need extra 5 to 10 minutes extra if you want to attempt all 25 questions. So most of the students, those who complete the paper are the people who take some 5 or 10 minutes from other subjects. Physics तो नहीं, chemistry से उठा सकते हैं, क्योंकि chemistry paper easy होते हैं. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at this. Again, this also a question has also come in 2019 only. Find the value of lambda such that the sum of the squares of the roots is, क्या लिखा है? Find the lambda such that the sum of the squares of the roots is least. है ना, ये least है ना, किस उन्होंने बोला है ना kids? sum of the squares of the roots of the quadratic equation has least value, है ना kids?
Yes, sir.
चलो पहले काम करते हैं. Let's shift that lambda then on the left hand side. I get here x square plus 3 minus lambda into x plus 2 minus lambda equal to 0. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Sum of the roots क्या होता है? Minus b by a. और प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? C by a. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now I can write this as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now put alpha plus beta का value. Now alpha plus beta is lambda minus 3. And alpha beta is 2 minus lambda. Let's say open it. Lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 9 minus 4 plus 2 lambda. So I get lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 5. How to find? Now this guy is minimum. For this to be minimum, should I do complete the whole square? Obviously, है ना kids?
Yes.
So let's complete the whole square. Lambda minus 2 the whole square minus 4 plus 5. So lambda minus 2 the whole square plus 1. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
When will this be minimum? When lambda should be what?
2.
Confident?
Yes, sir.
So for this guy to be minimum, lambda ka value should be 2. Is it clear for all?
So,
Yes,
but
sir.
we can do this like without solving also.
Yeah, tell me.
Because sum of the squares of the roots has minimum value. So the
Yeah.
sum of the squares of any two real numbers minimum value is 0.
Yeah.
So that means alpha, beta both are 0. So if you put 0 in the equation,
No, wait.
square terms is-
No, what are you saying? Tell me.
no, so they're saying sum of the squares of the roots has least value. So for any
Perfect.
real number, sum of squares is 0. And that's when both of
Wait,
them are 0.
एक minute. Tell me. Sum of the squares is least, right?
They have said least. So
Okay.
the least value is always 0, no? For
Perfect.
So that's why then the roots will be 0.
Roots will be
0 and 0.
your alpha is 0 and beta is 0.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
So then if we just put x as 0 in the original equation, then directly we get lambda is equal to 2.
okay, मतलब नहीं. This is one of the cases you're saying, right? Not always, right? If sum of the squares of the root is least, you know, you're saying like this, na? X1 square plus x2 square is least, right? And the least is 0. You're saying
Yeah.
this, na?
Yeah.
At that time, you're saying x1 and x2 both will be 0,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, it is so true. Only in the cases when x1, x2 should be real numbers.
So don't we assume that?
Yeah, we assume that normally what happens, when these kind of problems are given, when lambda is involved, at that time we don't assume blindly.
Okay.
Because it can have one root also, no?
Yeah. Okay.
So that's fine. Understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. चलो अच्छी बात है. Okay, I think और ये दो समय खत्म कर लेते फटाफट. Alpha, beta, the roots of this equation. So of course I can say alpha, beta roots है ना. So sum of the roots क्या होगा? Sum of the roots will be minus b by a, and the product will be c by a. Is it okay, kids? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And PQR AP में अगर PQR AP में तो automatically twice Q will be P plus R. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Again, some of you may not have understood. AP क्या होता है? What is AP, kids? What is AP? अरे what is AP? Andhra Pradesh. What is AP?
Arithmetic
Arithmetic
progression.
progression.
So अगर arithmetic progression तो कहने से the middle term will become the arithmetic mean. अरे हाँ तो नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes.
twice Q will be P plus R है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके सो ये फटाफट करना चाहिए एग्जाम में. ओके टाइम नहीं रहता है ना, फटाफट करना ही पड़ता है. आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, घर पे आदत डालनी पड़ेगी फटाफट करने की. आई कैन टेक एन एलसीएम. सो व्हाट आई गेट हियर इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू 4 टाइम्स ऑफ अल्फा बीटा. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next they are asking me find the value of alpha minus beta का magnitude. Now let me write it here. Alpha minus beta the whole square can be written as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 times of alpha beta. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 good. अब आप ध्यान से देखना मैं क्या करने वाला हूं. ओके, बिफोर आई गो हेड. अल्फा प्लस बीटा का वैल्यू है मेरे पास, क्या है? Q by P. Alpha beta का वैल्यू भी है. What is alpha beta? R by P. P and P cancels. So I get Q का वैल्यू as what? Minus 4R. Do you agree, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I can put Q here. So 2 times of minus 4R equal to P plus R. So P will be equal to R goes there. Minus 9R हो जाएगा. चलेगा? चलेगा. Very important things, these two. अरे हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's wrap it up. Alpha plus beta is minus Q by P. What is Q का value? Q is minus 4R. Huh? P is minus 9R. That is 4 upon 9. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is P ka value? P ka value is minus 9 by R. This will be minus 1 by 9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's put the value. So, sum of the roots is 4 by 9 ka square. This is minus 1 by 9. यहाँ पर आ गया 16 upon 81 plus 4 upon 9. 16 plus 9 4s are 36. 36 upon 81. So I get 52, na? 52 upon 81. So my root, if I take, what is root of 52?
2
2
root
root
13.
13. 2 root 13 and 81 ka root will be 9. Is it okay?
Yes.
आप देख रहे होंगे ना किड्स, मैथ्स बहुत सॉल्विंग है ना किड्स इसमें, मैथ्स में.
Yes, sir.
So take out extra time from other subject for mathematics to complete the paper. Okay, let's do the last sum for the day. E raised to sin x minus e raised to minus sin x. Now was an easy problem for me. Huh? Now these all steps I am writing it down, but exam you should not waste your time. Let's call this as t. So t square minus 1 minus 4t equal to 0. चलेगा? अरे चलेगा क्या?
Yes, sir.
I can complete the whole square. I can apply Shridharacharya also. तो यहाँ पर आएगा minus b plus minus under root of b का square minus 4ac upon 2a. I get t का value as 4 plus minus root of 20 upon 2. What is root of 20 का value?
2 root 5.
2 root 5 upon 2. So I get t का value as 2 plus minus root 5. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
Or t is e raised to sin x, by the way. So t is e raised to sin x. So your e raised to sin x ka value is 2 plus root 5, or it is 2 minus root 5. So let me check how many people are smart enough. What is the answer?
No real roots.
No real roots.
Why?
So because 2 minus root 5 is less than 0, that's not possible. And sin x has maximum value 1. So e raised to 1 is approximately 2.7 something, but 2 plus root 5 is 4 point something. So it's not possible.
Okay, very nice. मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, आपको समझ जाएगा अभी. काफी बच्चों को समझा नहीं होगा. पहली बात ये एक्सपोनेंशियल टर्म. Is it an exponential term? हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
An exponential term, exponential term cannot be what? Negative. And this is a negative value है ना kids? है ना? root 5 कितना होता है? 2 से जरा सा ज्यादा होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
So not possible. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, somebody might think about this guy, but try thinking about this guy. What is sine का value between what to what? Sine का values between what to what?
0 to
Between minus 1 to 1. Do you agree? अरे हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So e raised to sin x का value will be between e raised to minus 1 to e raised to 1 है ना?
Yes, sir.
Which means, yeah, e का value is how much? 2.718 approximately. and this is 2.718. So this is something 0 point something. Do you agree? है ना?
Yes,
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So the max
Yes,
value of e
sir.
raised to sin x can be 2.718 है ना? Max value. अरे हाँ के नहीं?
yes, sir.
But look at this answer. Now e raised to sin x is given. What value I've got is e raised to sin x ka value is 2 plus root 5. Don't you think this is more than 4?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
But इसका max value कितना possible है?
2.718.
So what I can say, e raised to sin x cannot be equal to 2 plus root 5, है ना kids?
Yes.
So no values of x possible, है ना? So finally, what is the answer? No real roots. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये भी आपके जेई के एग्जाम में आ चुका है. आई होप सबको सारे डाउट समझ गए आपको. ठीक है ना किड्स?
Yes.
ओके ठीक है.